I'm going to spend the next 5 minutes showing you 5 reasons why Chronicall is a good fit for your Cisco UCM. The first reason, there are no licenses required on Cisco for Chronicall to work. It is supported on CUCM release 8.0 and above. It is certified and tested by Cisco, and you can find it on the Cisco Marketplace. All you have to do to configure Chronicall within Cisco is create a CTI or application user, allow that user control over your devices, put in the Unity IP address, the UCCX IP address, and of course, CUCM IP address, and you're good to go. You can then license your users for reporting, for real-time, and call recording. The second reason why Chronicall is a good fit for your Cisco UCM is it's better than CDR reporting. It's going to take all of that CDR data and enhance it. And also, it does not expire after 3 months like your CDR data does within Cisco. You can come in and run over 60 standard reports on your system. So if you want to report on your hunt groups, it can do that. It can report on your UCCX skill groups. It can report on shared lines or, of course, the individual lines. I really like this queued call volume report, which allows you to see, are you staffed appropriately? When are you busy? When are you losing calls? No two reports are the same. You can also run reports on your agents or just your directory numbers, your users. Direct calls, group calls, inbound, outbound, and internal are all tracked within Chronicall. You can then also view all of that detail in Call Detail View, sometimes referred to as cradle to grave, which is going to show you the entire customer experience. Again, showing direct calls, hunt group calls, shared line calls, and UCCX calls. Calls that get transferred from one extension to another. Perhaps calls that get put on park. Internal calls, as well as outbound calls. You can also schedule the reports to run automatically. So once you find the reports you want, you can just have them scheduled and sent to your email. You can also create your reports. So if you do want any one of those over 120 CDR values, you can create the exact report you need. And you don't need to be a programmer or developer. You don't need to know crystal reports. You just need to simply select what values you want on each of the reports. Don't agree with the standard definition? You can filter that down and put in your exact definition. The third reason is, again, its integrations. No license is required, and it reports on your hunt groups or hunt lists, Cisco UCCX, as well as Arc console. And you can do all of that historically in Call Detail View or running the reports, as well as monitor that in real time. This is a different interface or a different option than CUIC. And the reports or the real-time wallboards aren't based off reports. You want to build a new wallboard? You can select from one of these predefined templates, which is very easy to do. All you need to select, again, is what groups you want to see in real time, or queues if you're using Arc Console, and your agents, which again can just be standard Office users, directory numbers, or your UCCX agents. And you can do this by department, which we call roles, or select individual users. And in a matter of seconds, you have your wallboard. If you want to then change the wallboard, create something else, edit any of the values, you can do that by simply editing the value and determining what value you want to see within the reports. You can do counts, durations, miscellaneous, which is a combination of features and events that have been added over the years. You can select from any of these widgets. So if you like graphical interfaces such as bar charts, line charts, pie charts, scrolling marquees, active call widgets, if you need to pull in something from an external web page, you can do that within the real-time wallboards. The fourth reason is call recording. Chronicall provides a simple-to-use call recording solution that works like a lot of the other recording solutions out there. It uses the Cisco built-in bridge. Now, the benefit is it's very easy to deploy. All you have to do is determine within the configuration what users you wish to record. You can record specific lines on those users' phones. Maybe you want to just record the agent's calls but not their direct line. Or just simply select all the lines on a per user basis. And that is all you need to do. Then when you want to access the recordings, you're going to do that in Cradle to Grave or Call Detail View. Find your recordings, simply press the play button. It opens up the embedded wave view form where you can listen, click, play from that point. You can also speed up the recording. You can create a snippet of the recording, download, email, or delete and add notes. And it does keep an audit log of who deletes recordings. The final reason why Chronicall for your Cisco UCM is a good fit is we have pricing models to fit every customer. The software is modular, so if all you want is call reporting, you can do just call reporting. It's the best call accounting solution you can find on the market. You can view Cradle to Grave, run reports, create reports, and schedule reports. You can add in call recording, which is a concurrent recording port model. And then lastly, you can add in your real time. This is on a per agent basis, which agents you want to monitor in real time. Pricing is available for on-prem, CapEx, as well as OpEx, where you pay monthly based off of your needs. If you'd like more information, please visit us at zimasoftware.com or call us today at 888-944-9462. Thanks for watching.